Deep in the Amazon, a silent giant lurks beneath the murky waters. It's a creature of myth and legend, a serpent so immense it can swallow its prey whole. This isn't a monster from a movie. It's the green anaconda, the undisputed king of the swamp and one of the most powerful predators on the planet. Forget everything you think you know from Hollywood. Today, we were diving deep into the real world of these magnificent snakes to uncover the truth behind the legends. How big do they actually get? How do they hunt? And what makes them one of the most successful predators in the rainforest? Get ready, because we're about to venture into the heart of anaconda territory. Anacondas are part of the boa family, a group of non-venomous constrictors. There are 4 recognized species: the green anaconda, the yellow anaconda, the dark-spotted anaconda, and the Bolivian anaconda. But when people talk about the legendary giant snake of the Amazon, they're almost always referring to the green anaconda, Eunectes murinus. The name Eunectes actually comes from Greek and means good swimmer, which is a perfect description for these water-loving snakes. They spend most of their lives in or near rivers, swamps, and marshes. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on the top of their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while keeping the rest of their massive bodies submerged and hidden from unsuspecting prey. This aquatic lifestyle is key to their survival and hunting strategy. On land, their immense size makes them slow and clumsy, but in the water, they are graceful, stealthy, and incredibly fast. Water supports their heavy bodies, allowing them to move with an ease they simply can't achieve on solid ground. This is their kingdom, and in it, they are masters. Now let's address the big question: just how big do green anacondas get? This is where fact and fiction often collide. Stories of 50-foot or even 100-foot anacondas are common, but they are pure exaggeration. The reality, however, is still incredibly impressive. While the reticulated python of Southeast Asia can grow longer, the green anaconda is the heaviest and most muscular snake in the world. Verified reports put them at lengths of up to 29 feet, but lengths between 15 to 22 feet are much more common. What truly sets them apart is their sheer bulk. A large female anaconda can weigh over 550 pounds and have a girth of more than 12 inches in diameter. To put that in perspective, that's heavier than a grown male lion. The females are significantly larger than the males, a trait known as sexual dimorphism. This size difference plays a crucial role in their mating and reproductive strategies. So, while they might not be the 100-foot monsters of legend, they are undeniably giants, true titans of the animal kingdom. So, what does a 500-pound snake eat? Pretty much anything it can overpower. Anacondas are apex predators, meaning they sit at the very top of their food chain. Their diet is incredibly varied and depends on what's available in their habitat. They'll eat fish, birds, turtles, and a wide range of mammals. Younger, smaller anacondas might stick to rodents, lizards, and small caimans. But a full-grown adult? They set their sights on much larger prey. We're talking about capybaras, the world's largest rodents, which can weigh up to 150 pounds. They also hunt deer, tapirs, and even jaguars on rare occasions. One of their favorite meals is the caiman, a relative of the alligator. Watching an anaconda hunt a caiman is a primeval battle of titans. The snake will often ambush the caiman from the water, and what follows is an incredible contest of strength. Unlike venomous snakes that bite and wait for their prey to die, anacondas are constrictors. But their method is a bit more sophisticated than just squeezing the air out of their victims. When an anaconda strikes, it does so with lightning speed, sinking its backward curving teeth into its prey to get a firm grip. These teeth aren't for chewing, but for holding on. Then the snake rapidly coils its powerful body around the animal. With each exhale of the struggling victim, the anaconda tightens its grip. It's a common misconception that they crush bones or suffocate their prey. Recent research has shown that the primary cause of death is actually circulatory arrest. The immense pressure exerted by the snake's coils is so powerful that it stops the flow of blood, cutting off oxygen to the brain and vital organs, leading to a much quicker and more efficient death. This method allows the anaconda to subdue incredibly strong animals with minimal risk of injury to itself. Once the prey is subdued, the anaconda faces its next challenge: swallowing it whole. Snakes can't chew their food, so they have to consume it in one piece. To do this, they have evolved some incredible anatomical adaptations. Their jaw is not fused at the chin like ours. Instead, it's connected by a flexible ligament. This, along with other mobile bones in their skull, allows their mouth to stretch to an astonishing size. The snake then walks its jaws over the prey, using alternating movements of the left and right sides of its upper and lower jaw to slowly engulf the meal. A large meal, like a capybara or a deer, can take several hours to swallow. After consuming such a huge meal, the anaconda's metabolism slows down, and it will find a safe, quiet place to rest and digest. This digestive process can take weeks or even months for a particularly large animal. During this time, the snake is vulnerable, so it will typically remain inactive and hidden until its next hunt. Reproduction for anacondas is a fascinating and often dramatic event. During the mating season, female anacondas release pheromones into the water to attract males. This can lead to a spectacular sight known as a breeding ball. Multiple males, sometimes a dozen or more, will swarm a single, much larger female, all competing for the chance to mate. These breeding balls can last for 2 to 4 weeks, with the males wrestling and jockeying for position. It's a slow-motion battle of endurance. Eventually, one male, often the largest and strongest, will win the right to mate. Unlike many reptiles, anacondas are ovoviviparous. This means the female doesn't lay eggs. Instead, she carries the developing young inside her body for a gestation period of about 6 to 7 months. She then gives birth to live young. A single litter can range from 20 to 40 baby snakes, although litters of up to 100 have been reported. The baby anacondas are about 2 feet long at birth and are completely independent. From the moment they are born, they must fend for themselves, hunting for small prey and avoiding predators like caimans and large birds. Life is perilous for a young anaconda, and only a small fraction will survive to reach adulthood. Despite their fearsome reputation, anacondas face numerous threats, most of which come from humans. Habitat loss is the single biggest danger. The Amazon rainforest is being cleared at an alarming rate for agriculture, logging, and urban development. As their swamp and river habitats shrink and become polluted, anacondas have less space to live and hunt. This also leads to more frequent encounters with humans, which often end badly for the snake. They are often killed out of fear or for their skin, which is illegally traded for leather products. While they are not currently listed as endangered, their populations are believed to be declining due to these pressures. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent animals and their fragile ecosystem. Organizations are working to preserve large tracts of the Amazon, educate local communities about the importance of predators like the anaconda, and combat the illegal wildlife trade. Protecting the anaconda means protecting the entire Amazonian ecosystem, a vital part of our planet's health. The anaconda is so much more than the one-dimensional monster often portrayed in movies. It is a highly specialized and perfectly adapted predator, a vital component of the intricate web of life in the Amazon. It's a symbol of the wild, untamed power of nature. From its incredible size and strength to its unique hunting methods and reproductive strategies, the anaconda is a true marvel of evolution. Understanding these animals helps us to replace fear with respect and admiration. They are not mindless killing machines, but complex creatures that play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their environment. The legends may be exaggerated, but the reality of the green anaconda is, in many ways, even more awe-inspiring. They are the silent, powerful, and mysterious giants of the rainforest, and they deserve our protection and respect. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the world of the anaconda. If you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing world of wildlife. Let us know in the comments what incredible animal you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.